Right now on a 3070 Glacier Bay, a 2007 Island Blue. We're running on the inside because the outside is pretty miserable today. We're doing the sea trial. The boat has twin Suzuki 250s, and she's in pretty nice shape. This is a complimentary video to the walkthrough videos that I have of it. And I just wanted to show us running.
I don't see any.
The surveyor and the captain running the boat. Hello. Number reading when we hit them. Back. I get number reading. Right now we're at 30 miles an hour, 30.4, 29.8. And this is One World Yacht, and I'm out. I just wanted to give a little short run, show the boat running. Power's up nice. It's a good boat. I like this boat. One World Yachts, and I'm out.